Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing my 2022 planner from thebookedstore.com. So the planner I chose was the 2022 Book Deluxe Planner Kit. Now they do have two other options, but I just felt like this one suited me better for what I was looking for in my planner. But you guys can go to their website and check out the different ones that they have, and they also have a quiz to help you decide which one is better for you. Last year I purchased a passion planner, which I used and loved, but I wanted to find something different. I really wanted to support a Black-owned business, so I searched Instagram looking for Black-owned planner companies, and I found this company and it really stood out to me. I really like the aesthetic, so I decided to give them a try, and so far I really love my planner, and I'm really excited to get into it and really use it because I don't know, I'm just so excited. I just think it's so cute. Hope you guys decide to check it out. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can just see for yourself, see how you guys like it. But yeah, definitely giving them a try.